Alright, one of the things we need to do is free up this radiator. This radiator is actually built to swing out of the way so I can get access to this side of the motor, and it's currently frozen in its tracks. So we're using seafoam deep creep, and we're just slowly coating everything and seeing if we can get this to free up. And from this side too. All right, let's see how it's done. There you go, access to this side of the motor. Let's see what we got. So we're starting to tear out the wood on the bus, see what we have underneath everything, and just basically get it going. So let's get to work.
Here's the wheel well. And then he had put furring strips that he screwed on, and then he put glue over the furring strips, glued on some Luan?
No, I think that's I don't remember what you call it. Nobody uses it anymore. People used to put it up in their living rooms on the walls. Fake wood.